हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे आप सब। मैं हूं एकलव्य। बात करें ओपीएससी असिस्टेंट सेक्शन ऑफिसर 2026 जनरल अवेयरनेस प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट 13। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। इन February 2026 the Odisha government officially launched the Go Mata scheme. What is the primary objective of this scheme? Option A, subsidies for dairy processing units. Option B, enhanced veterinary services and treatment for livestock. Option C, preservation of indigenous cow breeds like Binjapuri. Option D, direct benefit transfer for cattle feed. Option B is the correct answer, enhanced veterinary services and treatment for livestock. Option B, Go Mata scheme. Next, which Odisha city recently operationalized India's first rice ATM to streamline the public distribution system PDS in early 2026? Option A, Cuttack. Option B, Bhubaneswar. Option C, Raurkela. Option D, Sambalpur. Option B is the correct answer, Bhubaneswar. India's first rice ATM through biometric. Next, Aranyako Ghosh, who made headlines in April 2026, achieved what significant milestone in the world of sports? Option A, first ODI to win gold in Commonwealth fencing. Option B, India's 95th chess grandmaster. Option C, winner of the 2026 Asian Archery Championship. Option D, new national record holder in 100 meter sprint. Option B, the correct answer, India's 95th chess grandmaster. Option B. Next, in March 2026, India and which other country held the inaugural AI strategic dialogue in Mumbai to promote responsible AI use? Option A, USA. Option B, Japan. Option C, Germany. Option D, France. Option B is the correct answer, Japan. Next, the Rampa Rebellion 1922-24 in the Andhra region led by Alluri Sitarama Raju, was primarily a protest against which British legislation? Option A, the Rollock Act. Option B, the Madras Forest Act of 1882. Option C, the Vernacular Press Act. Option D, the Inland Emigration Act. Option B is the correct answer, the Madras Forest Act of 1882. Next, which revolutionary leader from Odisha was known as the Lion of Sambalpur and led a prolonged struggle against the British during the 1857 uprising? Option A, Bakshi Jagabandhu. Option B, Veer Surendra Sai. Option C, Chakhi Khuntia. Option D, Lakshman Naik. Option B is the correct answer, Veer Surendra Sai, Lion of Sambalpur. Option B. Next, the Boikam Satyagraha 1924 to 25, which recently completed its centenary, was a landmark movement for option A, land reforms for peasants. Option B, temple entry rights for lower castes. Option C, abolition of salt tax. Option D, promotion of khadi. Option B is the correct answer, temple entry rights for lower castes. Next, in February 2026, the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin Bill was passed. This bill primarily replaces which existing scheme? Option A, PM Kisan. Option B, MGNREGA. Option C, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Option D, Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana. Option B is the correct answer, MGNREGA. Option B. In February 2026. Next, under the Model Youth Gram Sabha initiative launched in April 2026, what is the minimum percentage of seats reserved for youth aged 18 to 35 in these mock assemblies? Option A, 25%. Option B, 33%. Option C, 50%. Option D, no fixed reservation. Option C is the correct answer, 50%. Next, which article of the Indian Constitution is currently under intense judicial debate? Early 2026 regarding the right to digital literacy as a fundamental right. Option A Article 16. Option B Article 19. Option C Article 21. Option D Article 32. Option C the correct answer Article 21. Next, according to the Odisha Economic Survey 2025-26, which sector in the state has shown the most rapid structural shift towards high growth? Option A agriculture. Option B mining. Option C services and industry. Option D forestry. Option C the correct answer services and industry. Option C. Next, the Strait of Hormuz, which was a focal point of international tension in April 2026 due to UNSC resolution veto, connects which two water body? Option A Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. Option B Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. Option C Black Sea and Sea of Marmara. Option D Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean. Option B the correct answer Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. Next, which geographical feature in Odisha was recently proposed to be India's next UNESCO Global Geopark in the 2026 Tourism Roadmap? Option A Chilika Lagoon. Option B Gandhamardan Hills. Option C Similipal Biosphere Reserve. Option D Chandipur Beach. Option B the correct answer Gandhamardan Hills. Option B. Next, India's headline CPI inflation reached a decadal low of 1.7% in which period of the 2025-26 financial year? Option A April June 2025. Option B July September 2025. Option C October to December 2025. Option D January to March 2026. ऑप्शन सी द करेक्ट आंसर अक्टूबर टू दिसंबर 2025 ऑप्शन सी। नेक्स्ट, what is the projected GDP growth rate for India for the full fiscal year 2025-26 according to the Asian Development Bank ADB report of April 2026? ऑप्शन ए 6.4%, ऑप्शन बी 6.9%, ऑप्शन सी 7.5%, ऑप्शन डी 8.2%। ऑप्शन बी द करेक्ट आंसर 6.9%, ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट, इन द 2025-26 Odisha budget, the Prani Sampad Samruddhi Yojana received an allocation of 171 crore. What is its main focus? Option A inland fisheries, option B poultry development and meat production, option C silk farming sericulture, option D apiculture beekeeping। ऑप्शन बी द करेक्ट आंसर पोल्ट्री डेवलपमेंट एंड मीट प्रोडक्शन, ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट, इन February 2026 who was appointed as the vice chief of the Indian Army? ऑप्शन ए लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल उपेंद्र द्विवेदी, ऑप्शन बी लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल धीरज सेठ, ऑप्शन सी लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल मनोज पांडे, ऑप्शन डी लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल अनिल चौहान। ऑप्शन बी द करेक्ट आंसर लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल धीरज सेठ, ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट, which Indian environmentalist was conferred the Global Green Icon title at the House of Lords UK in March 2026? ऑप्शन ए सुनीता नारायण, ऑप्शन बी जोगिनी पाली संतोष कुमार, ऑप्शन सी जादव पायंग, ऑप्शन डी मेधा पाटकर। ऑप्शन बी द करेक्ट आंसर जोगिनी पाली संतोष कुमार। नेक्स्ट, द इंडिया फिनलैंड जॉइंट इनोवेशन कल 2026 प्राइमरीली फोकसेस ऑन कोलैबोरेशन इन व्हिच साइंटिफिक फील्ड? ऑप्शन ए स्पेस एक्सप्लोरेशन, ऑप्शन बी क्वांटम कंप्यूटिंग एंड 6G टेक्नोलॉजी, ऑप्शन सी डीप सी माइनिंग, ऑप्शन डी न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन। ऑप्शन बी द करेक्ट आंसर क्वांटम कंप्यूटिंग एंड 6G टेक्नोलॉजी, ऑप्शन बी। Next, in the context of sovereign AI, what is the primary goal of the India-Austria Science and Technology Cooperation Call for 2026? Option A, building a joint space station. Option B, developing industrial AI solutions and ethical frameworks. Option C, mapping the Himalayan glaciers. Option D, studying the impact of monsoon on agriculture. Option B is the correct answer, developing industrial AI solution and ethical frameworks. Option B. Next, थैंक यू। आज के लिए इतना ही। अगर अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, फॉलो करें। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। धन्यवाद।